The new SAP Field Service Management exam is no longer just multiple-choice questions. SAP now tests you with AI role plays, live consulting scenarios, and real business problem solving. If you only memorize theory, the AI stakeholder can challenge your decisions in real time, just like a real client. In this video, you'll practice realistic SAP FSM exam scenarios. Think like an SAP consultant and learn how to pass SAP's new performance-based exam. You'll face tasks involving scheduling, dispatching, workflows, mobile workforce management, and customer service operations. So let's jump straight into the SAP exam simulation. Scenario 1. Dispatching crisis and SLA violations. Now let's simulate the actual SAPC_FSMAI role-play exam format. Remember, in the real SAP exam, an AI stakeholder questions your decisions like a real customer. AI persona. Our technicians are constantly missing service deadlines. Customers are angry, and manual dispatching is creating chaos. How would you improve our scheduling process using SAP Field Service Management? Candidate response. First, I would analyze the current dispatching workflow and identify whether the issue comes from technician availability, skill mismatches, or inefficient travel planning. Inside SAP FSM, I would configure skill-based technician assignment, automated scheduling policies, travel time optimization SLA priority rules. Then I would enable intelligent dispatching to reduce manual scheduling dependency. Now the AI stakeholder may ask, how would skill-based assignment improve SLA performance? Candidate response. Skill-based assignment ensures the right technician receives the correct service activity on the first attempt. This reduces repeat visits, escalation delays, incomplete repairs, and improves first-time fix rates, customer satisfaction, SLA compliance. A common mistake in SAP AI role-play exams is explaining only system configuration without connecting it to business outcomes. SAP evaluates consulting logic, not memorized clicks. Scenario 2. Offline mobile service failure. Let's move into another SAP scenario-based question similar to the certification exam. AI persona. Our technicians work in remote areas with weak internet connectivity. Service updates fail to sync, and customer signatures disappear. How would you solve this problem? I would configure offline mobile capabilities inside SAP FSM. This includes offline data caching, background synchronization, local attachment storage, conflict resolution handling. I would also optimize synchronization intervals to reduce mobile performance issues. AI cross-examination. What risks exist if synchronization conflicts are not configured correctly? Candidate response. Poor conflict handling can create duplicate service updates, lost technician notes, inconsistent customer records, delayed invoice processing. That's why conflict resolution policies are critical for operational reliability. If you want realistic SAP exam tasks, AI role-play simulations, flashcards, and hands-on SAP exam practice for the new format, check out certshero.com. Practicing real SAP scenario-based questions is one of the fastest ways to reduce exam anxiety and improve consulting confidence. Scenario 3. Escalation workflow. Breakdown. This next SAP exam simulation focuses on SLA escalation management. AI persona. Our premium customers complain that urgent service requests are not escalated quickly enough. We need automated escalation workflows. What would you recommend? Candidate response. I would configure automated SLA escalation workflows inside SAP FSM. This includes SLA threshold triggers, escalation timers, supervisor notifications, priority-based workflow routing. I would also define separate escalation paths for premium customers to ensure faster response handling. AI cross-examination. How would you prevent excessive or unnecessary escalations? Candidate response. I would use priority filters, conditional workflow logic, escalation thresholds, approval dependencies, This prevents notification overload while maintaining SLA governance. Many candidates fail because they create technically correct workflows that are operationally inefficient. In SAP AI role-play exams, business practicality matters heavily. The final solution should deliver faster escalation handling, improved SLA visibility, automated stakeholder communication, better customer satisfaction. Today, you practiced realistic SAP Field Service Management exam scenarios. Exactly what SAP's new performance-based exams are designed to test. If you want more AI role plays, mock exams, and hands-on SAP practice, visit certshero.com to build real consultant-level skills. Also subscribe for more SAP certification walkthroughs, implementation scenarios, and real-world troubleshooting labs. Because the best way to pass SAP exams today is to practice like you're already on a live SAP project.